In this tutorial, I'll show you how to free up some hard drive space. Now, as you can see, my hard drives are quite full at the moment. So what we're going to do is we simply go to Start menu. Now this is for XP, Vista and Windows 7. Simply just click on Computer or My Computer in XP. We'll have our list of hard drives. Now we right click on the main hard drive, which is default C drive. Go all the way down to Properties, and you click on that. And you'll have your general view. You'll see how much you've used up, how much free space you have, and the actual capacity of the hard drive. Now we simply just click on this here, Disk Cleanup. Now it might take a little while depending on how much space you have actually left on your computer, or depending on how fast your computer is. And what it basically does, it just scans the files that is unused, such as temporary directives, and it pretty much deletes them, as obviously because manually it is actually quite tedious. If you have a previous installation of Windows, it will also compress that for backup purposes. And here we are now. We're given a little menu. You have download program files, temporary internet files, etc. You can even empty your recycle bin from here. Pretty much, unless you need to keep something, you can pretty much tick all of them because it's not much of an issue. You can see here, error reporting says you don't need those. Temporary files, if you install a program of some sort, it will actually store temporary files to install that program. So once you've installed the program, it just sits there and wastes space. And obviously you do not need that anymore for the installation. So what we simply do is tick all these boxes and press OK. And it'll automatically clean out your hard drive, and I've just saved 1.6 gig of space. Now with these other hard drives, you can't actually do that because they're partitions, which means they're just split slave drives. They don't actually house any operating system. So with this one, we only focus mainly on C, unless you are actually running multiple Windows. Now if we refresh, as you can see, I have a bit more space, but obviously I'm still full.